So I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and let me show you how to remove and possibly even replace the straps on this watch, or the bands. So these are standard 22mm straps, and all you have to do for these ones, they have this little latch that you can use, so that this makes it very easy. And all you have to do is pull the latch downwards. That's going to release the upper part, and then you can remove the strap. It's literally that simple. Same goes for this other side. Just pull down on that latch and you can release. Now to put it back, all you have to do is start with the side that doesn't have the latch and make sure it goes into that little hole there. Like that. And once it goes in there, then for this other side, you have to pull the latch. And once you pull it far enough, the strap will go in. Okay, so let's try that again. That one goes in. Now for this other one, we just pull the latch. Then once you pull the latch and it goes in there, you need to find the hole. And once you find it, you'll hear it click in place. And once it's in place, the latch or the strap should be firm. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.